New to this channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest notification about technology.
Say hello to Echo Dot, a compact speaker that's controlled by your voice and Alexa. It's got a new look and a new speaker with improved sound that can fill the room. It's designed to fit almost anywhere, like your bedroom, the kitchen, or your desk, and can play all your favorite music from all your favorite places. Alexa, play 90s music.
Playing 90s music.
Alexa, I'm home. With Alexa routines, Echo Dot can turn on the lights, switch on the AC, and more with a single command. It can also check your schedule, give you the latest news, and wake you up in the morning. Alexa, wake me up to Bollywood songs at 7 a.m. every day.
Setting an alarm for 7 a.m. every day.
Best of all, Echo Dot and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Dot from Amazon.